Good morning, students. Today we are most probably going to discuss about the syllabus that will be coming in your upcoming examination, that is half yearly. Now, the syllabus here, it is mentioned as we have completed various different chapters. In history, the syllabus that would be there and you need to study is about chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, omitting chapter number 5, which will not be there. Then chapter number 6, 7, 8. And from civics part, you'll have to study chapter number 16 and chapter number 17. Few important details that I would like each and every one you to understand and keep in note while you are studying. Now, from chapter number 1, study the details about the things discovered, the things invented, and the time period when it was done. Okay, and various important points of various important events that took place in various different chapters. Even in other chapters also, if you find any kind of inventions or an important date that has to be remembered as per the historical event, important historical event, that you need to study from the chapter inside the chapters. And on the other part, please go through the important word terms that is there in end of the every chapter that is there. Few of the questions will be also uh, importantly given to you from there too. Now, the boxes that are there, you will find important boxes there having important informations given there in your books, like these small boxes which prevail in most of the chapters that are there, even in history as well as in civics. Go through those boxes and those detail in mind. Now, as I've told you that chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. 5 we have not done it completely, so I'm omitting that. Other than that, other chapters are completed and notes have been given to you. So, considering that, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8 would be there from your history part. And from the civics part, number 16 and 17. Now, in various chapters from inside the book, like if you see from chapter number 6, 7, 8, there are various important descriptions given our different wars that took place in different time period. You'll have to study those in precisely and particularly in details about it, the causes, the results of it, and the impact that it brought about. Okay, in various different times, various important terms that has to be seen during this time. And on the other hand, if you see the civics part, there also certain important details that you find it inside the boxes inside the chapter in details. You'll have to have a clear picture about it, knowledge about it. And on the other hand, certain questions will also be there from civics part in regarding to the present political scenarios of certain present political scenarios that are going throughout. Okay, so you'll have to gather certain knowledge of few important peoples, few important events that took place recently, and how it has impacted our whole of the society, whole of the world in different political scenarios. So in civics part, you'll have to get certain general knowledge about as to what is happening in and around the political scenario of the world. Okay. So this all details you'll have to study for your examination of half yearly, and get yourself prepared because most of the other notes that is important or that is there in this chapter that is given in the syllabus are already been given to you, and hope that every one of students are having these notes. Now if you don't have means, gather it from your friends, get it collected, and it is your duty to get it done by yourself. And I want every one of you to study precisely the details of each and every chapter, not considering what is there in only in the question and answer part. Again, later on, don't put up this question just said this part is not there in the question and said, because certain part is there from inside your book, as I have told you just now, as I have explained you just now. So while you are studying, study your question answers part that has been already given to you. Short answers, long answers, one word answers, names, inventions, dates. important dates. This all details you'll have to take it out from inside your book and get yourself prepared for your examination. So overall, this is all about your syllabus for your half yearly, and I wish every one of you best of luck for your studies and do well for your and prepare well for your examination. Thank you very much.